In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Replit project to GitHub step-by-step tutorial 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Replit workspace ready to link with GitHub so you can bring existing code into Replit in just a few clicks. Make sure you're logged into both Replit and GitHub before we start, and if you use two-factor authentication on GitHub, have that ready as well. First, head to the projects page on Replit. This is where all your work lives and where you can start new projects or bring in existing ones. If you're already inside an editor view and don't see the project's dashboard, look for the main projects area from the Replit home screen. Visiting replit.com/replets will take you straight there. Next, click on Import Code or Design. This is the gateway for pulling code into Replit from outside sources. It's perfect when you have a repository you want to run in the cloud, collaborate on, or demo quickly. If you don't see the import option right away, make sure you're on the project's dashboard and not inside a specific repo. On the import screen, choose GitHub. Replit supports multiple import sources, but selecting GitHub tells Replit you want to pull code from a repository. This keeps your project structure intact and sets you up for a smooth experience with dependencies and environment setup once the code is in Replit. Now click Connect your GitHub account. A GitHub window will open asking you to authorize Replit. If prompted, sign into GitHub, then review the permissions. For most cases, granting access to only the repositories you need is a good practice. If you plan to work with private repositories, make sure you allow the appropriate access during authorization. If you're part of an organization, you might also need to approve the app in your organization settings. After authorization, you'll be returned to Replit with your GitHub account linked. From here, Replit can securely read your repositories so you can import the one you want. If you ever need to adjust what Replit can see, you can manage permissions in your GitHub settings or disconnect from Replit's account settings later. That's it. You went to the projects page, opened the import flow, chose GitHub, and connected your GitHub account. With the connection in place, you're ready to bring your repository into Replit and get coding in the cloud. If anything doesn't appear as expected, refresh the page or double-check your GitHub authorization. Thanks for watching and enjoy building.